I'm Billionaire Kyle Kish. I'm ready to go to work. Today, sub sandwich. Monster sub sandwich eating contest. Oh yeah, this is how it starts out. Oh yeah! Let's see if that braided Mills can eat the whole sub. I'm gonna try a different technique though. I'm not gonna eat it normally. I'm gonna eat it like that one chick does. That, Molly something? Molly? Yeah. I'll look into it. Named Molly something. But she can eat 376 ounce steaks or something like that. Texas Steakhouse. Yeah. Chick eats with her hands. She eats with her hands. Festival Foods. Spent over $30 on those subs. This better be worth it. Game rooms, this was your idea. At a time. Everything I see, you guys see. Is that what you want? You want to see how I live my life? This is how I live my life. Did you see what time it was? I'll show you again. What time is it? It's 20 minutes to 6 a.m. This is what I do. You know, I wonder what I do. I pay for all that internet for my YouTube. This is what I do. Welcome to my fucked up world. So right now, I'm downloading the last video. See? Of the Monster Sub Challenge. Hope it works. There's some other ones. So this is done. Time to go. There's the Monster Subs. Okay. Landlord's coming this weekend, so good thing I did that cleanup. Yeah, I know, I'm starting all over again with the fucking recyclables. But hey, I like to eat. Hey, eat. That's why I'm doing this contest. This sub sandwich contest. Sub eating contest. Well, the ice is melting, the snow is melting. Hopefully spring is coming. Hopefully spring is coming. Hope I don't slip and fall. Well, if I do, it'd be looking funny for YouTube, eh? Clear ice. So I don't know where you guys are living, but if you're not dealing with this shit, pure ice.
That's pure ice. It's pure fucking ice. Look at this shit. Yeah, I'm walking on pure ice right now. Well, don't fall. Should walk on ice when it's wet. Oh shit, I'm starting to slide. I'm sliding underneath the car. Get them something in there. Okay. Driver's key. Okay. Hear that? Look at that ice. Oh shit. Oh, I gotta slow down on me eating. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This car's 33 years old. Watch. I don't know. I think it's since I told you guys. Come on. Yeah? Come on. Come on. Yeah? Come on. There you go. Yeah? Second time? Huh? Best leave. Well, wait. Oh, wait. Alright. Second time. Huh? 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 Come on. It runs better now. Oh. It's running better now since I made that road trip to Fond du Lac. Come on. Come on. Come on. Almost. The heat riser, heat sensor or whatever. There we go. There we go. Yeah. What? Huh? Yeah? Huh? Yeah? This is why I leave early for work. I start at 6. Right now, you guys like my mic? Check out my mic. Right now the time is, well, I'm 10 minutes fast, so I'm never late. So right now, actually, well, it's 22. Well, sorry about that. But yeah, it's 20 to 6. Check this out. Yeah, you like this? You like my car? Huh? Check this out. Got this at Fleet Farm. It's kind of hard to push. There we go. Hi. Check that out. Ain't that cool? There's high, low, emergency. Kind of cool, huh? Then you got my GoPro. Hey, it stayed running after the second time. That's better. Yesterday it died 5 times. This time it died once. I keep driving it. Keep driving it, that's what he would say. I made a couple of trips to Madison. I'm supposed to go to Milwaukee this weekend. Maybe I should do that. Well, I told my niece Stacia in Milwaukee that that's Aaliyah's ma. That's my sister. Aaliyah's my grandniece. She's on YouTube. You guys go ahead and check her out. It's called Aaliyah something. Yeah, I know, that's sad. I don't even know my own grandniece's YouTube. I don't know why she just can't be simple like me, you know, Carl Kish, you know. So I don't even know her last name. That's sad. Maybe she should put it Aaliyah Kish. Aaliyah Kish. That's what I'm gonna do. When I go to Milwaukee, I'm gonna tell her, change her name to Aaliyah Kish. Make it simple. Yeah. Because people will see Aaliyah Kish and then Carl Kish. Hey, they gotta be related. Let's check her out. There you go. Yep, she's my grandniece. Now, my niece in Milwaukee, she never got married. And she taken over my sister's last name because she grew up without a father, guys.